here's another use case. We have a service internally that we want to expose to users, right? So I've already discussed all of those things in one way or another. So here, if I look at this this service, right, I've already said, pardon me, that I want to expose this service. By default, that service will be exposed at the internal IP address, at a low level of my endpoint. So I think we were saying it's, Win 2016 that is going to be there. So I'll look at Win 2016. This is its internal IP address in LimaCharlie. So I'll copy this. I'll go into my net policies. And the service is exposed, but what I want to do is I want to give it a more friendly name for people to use. So I'm going to create the DNS, and I will call this Jira. Let's say Jira DNS. The tag, let's say for everybody. Let's say we don't really care. Let's give it Jira. I want anybody in my organization who just goes in the browser and types Jira for it to resolve directly to the service that I just exposed. Can give it this. Create the policy. Up and running. There we go. So anybody who, like your salespeople on the road, open the browser, type Jira, enter, and they're up and running. They're going to connect to that service that you're exposing. If it's outside the time of day or the boundaries or the source, all that stuff, they'll get rejected. You have complete control. And all of it in the cloud and at the device level. This is really, really nice.